Okay, so till now we have created property details, we have added rooms, we have added contact details. Now it's time to go live. Okay, now to go live, once you have added your contact details, this new two steps have been added, and you can just click on go live. And if you wish to go live from here, again just simply go to manage property tab, and then next to your property click on action, and then click on edit, and then again you will be on the same page. Scroll down, go to step 4 and click on go live. Okay, now over here you can see that your property is still not live. You need to submit your your ID proof and your address proof, because we need to verify that you are not some sort of a spammer who is trying to list a fake property on our website to get a booking from us and do some sort of like spamming with the travelers. Okay, so, and also note it down that for first year your listing is completely free, and from next year onwards we are going to charge you 2000 rupee plus 18% GST per property per year. Okay, so that's like very minimum amount. You just need to pay for complete 1 year to keep your listing live on hoteloncall.com, and that is the reason we are giving you complete 1 year free, that we want you to use it, see that you are getting a business or booking from us, and if you are getting, then obviously you will be happy to pay for the second year subscription, and you don't need to pay anything else. Okay, so that's the only amount we are going to charge. Nothing else we are going to charge. Any booking which is going to come, or any traveler who is going to come on our website, they will look into your property and your contact details, and then they will call you and book directly. Okay, so how to get your property verified? Okay, so first thing is we need your ID proof. Okay, so whosoever is the main owner or the contact person, we need his Aadhaar card or passport copy. So simply click on choose file, and then select the Aadhaar card or passport copy you have. For this purpose I am just selecting one dummy file. Next is your address proof. So we need the address proof of the property which you have mentioned in the starting. So basically you can either share passbook of bank or telephone, landline bill, electricity bill, gas bill, rent agreement, water bill, or any other government recognized document which proves that you are the owner, or you have the rights to list that property with us, and that property actually exists. Okay, so select the documents you have. Again I am going to select one electricity bill, sample bill over here, and once you have done that, simply click on submit, and your property added successfully. Okay, so your property has been added successfully. Now you don't need to do anything. We will review your details within maximum 2 working days, and if we think that we need more details from you, we might call you to verify your details, or maybe ask you to do the video verification to verify that your property actually exists. And these are the few details we might do depending on the kind of information you have added. And once we will approve it from backend, then you will see that the plan over here, because right now it's showing no plan because your property has not been approved till now. So right now you are not showing any plan over here. So once your property is approved, it will show plan as free, and you have used your 1 year free plan, then this plan will expire, and you need to renew it. Okay, so wait for like 48 hours, and you will see that your property has been activated, or we will call you to verify your details.